it's lawn mowing time. So I'm gonna go grab my lawn mower. And then, yeah, we're gonna mow the lawn. I have a lawnmower. I do. But I think it's too long for the lawnmower right now in some areas. So I'm just gonna like trim down the surface. This is our lives now. Just to go slow, but it's a battery powered lawnmower. So even if I raise it all the way to the top, I'm pretty sure like it's still just like too long. So I'm just gonna like trim off the surface. Just give it a little haircut before we go in with the clippers. You know what I mean? This is actually kind of soothing. I love that. I love that. Sometimes with the lawnmower, if it starts bogging out, you can pull down the handle, which raises the front wheels, and you can trim it that way. Yeah. I know that. It was just like, because the lawn's obviously super, like the ground's super uneven. So in some areas, it's way longer than it is in other areas because like just the dirt and the sun and everything else is better in some areas than others. So I'm just kind of like taking it all down to the same layer too. But we already like made super good progress. I think there's just kind of like the middle back section that needs to be done and then we can mow it. This is what the grass looks like all year. It just is too wet usually. We could, if it didn't rain all the time, we could mow it all year, but it just like rains too much and then it's usually too wet, so it gets super long. It never dies. I'm definitely not doing this in the most efficient way, and if that's driving you crazy, I apologize for that. I apologize if the way that I'm swinging this lawn mower around, or this weed whacker around, is giving you anxiety. Weed whacking by vibe, exactly. You really want to get in on the whacking energy? The real wacky time we're having? How many whacking puns can we think of? Literally touching all of the grass right now. I don't want to have anyone in the chat telling me that I have never touched grass, because this is proof. Now you guys have seen it. Now you've seen it. Okay, wish me luck. I put it on the highest setting, so wish me luck. How I'm about to do this is going to drive some of you insane. So, wash at your own caution because I'm probably gonna do this in the most ass backwards way possible. But we're just here for the journey. Do lawnmowers have reverses? I don't know what the best way to do this is. It's like short and long, and then it's too short to turn it around. Kind of in this space here, it kind of gets a little bit dicey. So I don't know. I don't know what the best way is going to be to do this. You can leave the blades down when you turn and walk backwards, but I feel like the flap underneath it gets like caught up in the wheels. I feel like it doesn't like go backwards very well. That's okay. We can hopefully lift it up and clean the grass out. Over here was kind of hard to turn, but we'll figure it out. Okay, I'm low-key kind of having fun now. This looks like a beautiful lawn. You want to know something? I planted this lawn. Planted this lawn with my 2 own hands. This was just a dirt patch when I moved in, and it was super unleveled, so we like leveled it all and we planted the lawn. So I'm kind of proud of this lawn, not gonna lie. Also kind of proud of all the dandelions I've grown in it, but that's neither here nor there. We just mowed the lawn.